got these three packages in here. So one is the Apple Watch charging connector, and one is I forgot. It's a SIM Genie, I would like to call it. Yeah, just, oh my god, it's a car. Just fake your phone, fake your American phone, and so when you insert a China SIM card into your American iPhone, the phone will not activate, right? So this phone a SIM Genie right here, which is trick your iPhone to think that the SIM card you had inserted is American, from American carrier. So yeah, that's a pretty cool thing, because I have a second-handed iPhone 8 and it's an American model, so I didn't know that when I bought it, but I have to use it with a SIM card, Chinese SIM card. So yeah, that's a neat one. And another, it's a Nokia E51 or E73 or something like that. It's a charger. So about that Nokia, I'll told you later. That is a very magical thing. I'll just tell you later. So see you upstairs. Okay, let's go. So remove these and these. These are chicken things. And this dingus line is quickly online. Okay, let's go. See the thing I had bought with the scissors. And yeah. Okay, this is the first one. The charger. The Nokia charger. I bet you can't see these text because Xiaomi or Pega 3 or Redmi, whatever you call it, are clipping something on the camera if they are not clipping on something else. Wait, what? Grape seed. I don't know if you can see it, but grape seed. What the hell? Grape seed. What? Maybe it's just the box that contains that. What the hell? Oh, I just... Never mind. Yeah. Okay. Damn, they don't have anything better to package this shit. Bubble wraps, man. Damn, this bubble wraps. Really wraps. Yeah, let's see, Nokia. Grab a Nokia phone. Look at this. E72i. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but I think I'll focus. Never mind, no one care. So, have to really grab it or something. Maybe I'll just grab a phone too anyway. Just... And, so the Nokia, it was submerged in water. So I don't know what the submerge, the word actually means, but I just pick a random word and fudge them together. So this thing sunk in water, and there's water all over in it, and I it was powered on during the water hazard. So I just quickly unplug the battery. The battery is still alive though. I tried, and yeah, let's power on. Plug this thing in. Oh no, this thing is so hard to. Yeah. Nothing. I turned on the. It's not. It is at the bottom. Thing's not turning on though. Don't know why. Maybe I'll have to put the battery in. I don't know. This is fire hazard. This could be quite dangerous now. Nothing happened yet. It's not turning on either. The light isn't going on. Maybe the battery has died. Oops. Damn the boob, man. So yeah, as the last time, again, the display is not working. It is lighting up, you can see, and there are some flashes. Oh my god! It is turning on, man. Holy shit. I don't know if this thing worked though. Let's say they're in charge, man. Holy shit, I've talked about this E72. Damn. Okay, let's just look at the next one. Forget this shit. This is horrible. I'll just use my hand. Come to the next one. Sim Genie. Whatever I call this. Let's unpack these. You know what? I'll stick with this shit. Because this is the best could possibly be. Dingus. Oh, this is actually the watch. Okay, so this is the Dingus Genie. The watch, you know, everyone know that. Apple Watch, you know, charging. I don't care about that. So the next one. Genie. The Genie. It is sticked. Oh no, never mind. See? It is a. Wait. What? The card. But. The card. Wait. What? Wait a minute. You didn't want me to activate, then doing that. Can you see it's on clearly? So I have to pick this up. This out. Grab this in, insert it, and ding. Needs to be activated. Okay. Choose the network. I'll just. Okay. Oh, dingus. Damn. My Wi-Fi, man. Really not good. Yes, there are connection. It is connected to the outside. Okay. Next. Need some time to activate the iPhone. Oh, I can press the activation lock. Let's see. Actually, you know what? ICCID. Travel. I mean, it's ICCID. What the fuck is that? Oh, it just dings. Oh no. It just popped up. AT&T. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this dings. I just quickly put the recording phone's SIM card out quickly so I can test that's really work. Oh my god. Okay, this is the start. Man, that's my SIM card. Okay, and plug this in. So as you can see, this is an AT&T card, fake card. And let's put this in. Try that out. Oh my god! Let's see this in. No service. Okay. Harsh. Ooh, yay! It's activated. This signal though. Can I call? It's really small sound because I guess one of the speakers are dead. Damn! It calls, man. Hell yeah. So this communicate with others. It worked. Hell yeah. So yeah, that's all 3 boxes. That is good. This is good. This can help you to break any, cards, iPhones, that is restricted SIM thing. So it just basically just a fake American card. So it's AT&T, as you can see, and yeah, that's all. I'm just gonna unplug these. I'll later put another carrier's SIM card into that because I'm going to sign another card. So yeah, that's good. Okay. Oh no, filling the wrong way. Okay. That's all for today's video. See you all next time. Leave a like, subscribe, do what you do. Do what you wanted to do. And you know what? For that, oh my god. Let's go to see the Nokia. Eh. It's still a white screen though. What the fuck? Up. Alright. Damn. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Ends pretty quick. My smiley thing just died. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. I just plug it. Ah, man. Tough, man. I know how to put a cover on. The battery keeps sliding off my. Oh, no cap. Yep. Nothing. Well, I mean, it's reasonable. I've sunk it in water and have basically 0 level of offense of water. So, yeah, what could you say? What could you probably think of? And you know what? Why that pin is... Oh, I can't focus. Why that pin is very off the angle. Yeah. Just put this quick in. Okay, shaked. Nokia. Try that. Screen. Okay. There's hope. Up. You know what? I'll fix this. I'll fix this by resoldering every fucking component I can possibly see. Okay. See you all next video. Goodbye. Fuck this Nokia.